let's do a Long John Silver codfish recipe. So let's get to this recipe. Yeah. All right, here ingredients right here. I will give you the exact measurements in the description, but right now we have paprika, baking powder, baking soda, salt, flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, club soda, and of course our codfish. Now let's put it together. All right, first thing first, we have our oil heating to my right, and we're gonna let it get to 350. So now let's just get our batter together. Let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients. There we go. Now let's mix it. Get it all done. Now let's add our club soda. There we go. You don't want to mix it too much. You don't want your bubbles to start to break up or to anticipate, or whatever that word is I'm looking for. It might be the wrong one, but let's just get it mixed up. I'm not gonna keep talking. So let's just get our batter good mixed up. As you can see, get the edges. And that's it, that's all for our batter. That's it, that's all. Just like that. There we go. Just make sure we got our everything broken down. Yeah. Okay, now that our batter is ready, let's go ahead and cut down our fish. You don't want them too big, too thick, or too heavy, because they will sink to the bottom. And once you cut them, let's go ahead and place them in the batter. We're going to make sure that they are totally coated. So we're going to place it in the batter, and we're going to leave them in there until our oil is ready. We're going to make sure these are coated all the way. All right. All right, our oil is at 350. So let's go ahead and grab our fish. Make sure it's still coated pretty well. I'm using my tongs here. I don't want to drip it everywhere. There we go. Now let's just get it in there. There we go. My gloves. All right, now let's get our other piece in there. There we go. There we go. And we're going to let those cook for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. You know how we do. Real quick, let's take a preview of what we have. Now, I done let it cook for maybe 4 to 5 minutes, but look at that. Look at that. Let's get it back in now. We're gonna get these finished. All right, our fish is done. Let's see what we got. Check us out. Check us out. Look at that. Now we're gonna place it on the cooling rack. Got my cooling rack to the right of me. Look at that one. Yes, Lord. That boy can cook. That boy can cook, y'all. Yeah. All right. And before we start our second batch, we are going to let our oil get back to 350. back to 350. All right, our grease have went back up to 350. So let's get our second batch in our hot oil. There we go. I like the little crumbs. Yeah, get it in there. More of them little fish crumbs. I used to buy those when I was young at Long John Silver for like 15 cents a bag. Used to come home from school, stop by old Long John Silver and get a bag of crumbs for 15 cents. That was back in the 80s though. We don't have prices like that no more, people. All right, let's get our last one in here. And we are not overcrowding our pan. There we go. There we go. Just spread them out a little bit. All right, that's our second batch. And we're gonna finish it up. Real quick, let's just look how beautifully that is frying up. That is beautiful, truly beautiful. Yeah. All right, our last piece of fish is finished. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Yeah. The boy can cook. Check us out, check us out, check us out. Oh, check us out. Green flour. That's what it do, that's what it does. All right, and as I said before, I always love my little crumbs. So I'm just gonna take the rest of my little batter right here. And we just gonna drop some in this oil. And get our crumbs going. That's it, that's all. And I will be back to plate it up. All right, as you know, now our Copycat Long John Silver fish recipe is done. Yeah, check us out. Yeah, check us out. Look at that, look at that. In your face. In your face. Yeah. And also, I whipped up some homemade tartar sauce to go with it. Yeah. So make sure, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can go and watch the video of the homemade tartar sauce. Very quick, very simple, super easy, and very delicious. Goes perfectly with this fish. Now let's taste it. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Dip, 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 dip. Yeah. It wasn't cooked, y'all. It wasn't cooked. As always, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Oh yeah, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, even share it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. Yeah.